Hey, what's up, everyone? So we have our day 5 in our 20-day challenge in learning kanji. This is for grade 1 in Japan. Start off, we have sky, which is related to kuki, which is atmosphere or air. Second would be kuko, which is the airport. Alright, second up, we have the kanji for month or moon. So for this month, we have kongetsu. For February, we have nigatsu. For April, we have shigatsu. For July, we have shichigatsu. We have September, which is kugatsu. Now, I personally selected these months because these are special months, which you might be confused when you count off the months, or you count off like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that actually is ichi, ni, san, yon. Yon is number 4. So it doesn't say yongatsu. It says shigatsu. Then we have go, roku, nana. Nana is 7. Shichi. Nanagatsu is not the right word to say it. Shichigatsu. Then we have 9. Kugatsu. So 8 is hachi. Q is for 9. So it's not kyugatsu, it's kugatsu. Alright? For third kanji for today would be dog or inu. And then for puppy, we have ko inu. Fourth one is our kanji for see, miru, to see, to watch, mieru, to show or to be seen. And then we have our third example, which is iken, or opinion, view, or comment. Let's go to our examples. So, 今月の空気は寒いですね. Which means this month's air is cold, isn't it? Second example is 見て、かわいい子犬だ. Look, a cute puppy. Alright, so as you can see, it's mite, which is mite kudasai. It's a shortcut for mite kudasai. And that's kawaii ko inu da. Da is also equivalent to des. So you could also say mite kawaii ko inu desu. Alright, so there you have it. We have our day 5 in our 20-day challenge learning the grade 1 kanji in Japan. Thank you for watching.